Welcome content creators and entrepreneurs to African Multi-Design, the channel dedicated to grow your business online. We're focusing on Canva tutorials, and in this video, we're going to learn how to do that awesome looking 3D effect on Canva. Let's jump in and do this. So from your home page, you can choose any template. I'm gonna run with a YouTube channel art, and then we can quickly do that 3D effect text on Canva. And we're going to change the color background so that we have a nice looking effect. Then we're going to add text. We're going to make it a little bit bigger so we can see it. And we're going to change the text to say that you are awesome. And this would be my subscribers from India. You guys are awesome. Then well, not to say that everybody else in other countries are not awesome. I'm just getting so much love from India. Anyway, so we're happy with that. We're going to change the font to Biba's New Cyrillic. And then we make that a little bit bigger. And move it to the middle. Happy with that. Then we're going to duplicate that font and the text. Now that you've duplicated it, the first one, you're going to change color and you make it white. Then you take the other font and you bring it on top of this. You just move it like that. That's how you create a 3D effect. If you want to have the black go behind, you just click on the black and you click on position on the menu or the three dots and you say backward. And it just changes the 3D effect. And that's how you do it. I hope this added value. Please subscribe and like the video. I'll see you on the next.